Let me guess. You got initial drift online, but you're kinda lost because the game doesn't tell you anything. Don't worry, I have some tips on how to play the game and some exclusive information I've gotten from a developer that might help any player, new or veteran.
Where's my money? Bitch, where's my money?
So you make money by racing other racers and delivering tofu. I would not recommend doing player races, since the amount of money you get from it is a little bit bugged. If you win, you get between 100 and 200 yen, and if you lose, you get nothing. You're better off delivering tofu. The best places to deliver tofu will be Haruna or Urizaka. Those both give 140 yen, and Akagi only gives 70. The other might be longer, but you can't finish Akagi twice in the time it takes to run Haruna or Urizaka.
You could spend your dollar on this, or you can spend it on this. You could spend your buck on this, or you can spend it on this.
Simple, get a car you like and tune it, because all the cars have the exact same stats. Their performance is the exact same. Their chassis, though, that's different. So it means their weight and their hitboxes are different. It means the inside is the same, but the outside is different.
First off, we got these two holes here, and that's where my JDMs go into, straight to the turbo. And while that's going on, I got this massive Mishimoto intercooler right here, which cools down my JDMs. And then all the hot, unwanted JDMs come out the hood here.
So we have two kinds of tuning. Performance tuning and handling tuning. Performance tuning means leveling up your car, making it faster and stuff, and handling is purely the controlling of your car. For performance tuning, we can upgrade power, brake and torque. Each one of these has 5 stages. You can start at 1, or you can instantly jump to number 5 if you have enough money for that. Power means top speed, brake is just your brake, and torque means acceleration. The best way to upgrade these is to go torque, then brake, then power. Because you need torque to go faster, you need brakes to stop yourself from going faster, and you need power, well, you don't really need power because you rarely hit your top speed. Now go into your engine settings and be sure to turn off the rev limiter. At the moment it doesn't really do anything except for confuse the automatic gearbox, so just turn it off. The other options are purely aesthetical. Now handling upgrading is really important, definitely if you're having some problems with controlling your car. In this menu you can change the wheel camber and the suspension. The camber should change the physics of your car, the developer has confirmed this, but I haven't noticed anything when changing these. I've tried a lot of setups but it never feels any different. Suspension though, that's the one I use the most. To start off with, put these at 0.1 at the front and 0.2 at the back. That seems to be a way better setup than a stock setup, and it drastically improves the car's handling. At the moment I'm using an 0.2, 0.2 on my Civic. I don't suggest to use those settings though, because it makes the car really bouncy and it's really hard to control like that. So next you want to press escape and go into your settings. There should be 2 options there, the steering sensitivity and the steering helper. You want to make sure these are both turned up all the way to the max. Steering sensitivity is just what it says, it's sensitivity and steering, but you want these as max as possible when driving Togeki's. And the steering helper automatically counter steers when you drift. So that kind of makes it like Forza or something.
Wait until it kicks in. VTEC. Turbo. Hey! Shit! Hey!
You might not know it, but if you press B on your controller or shift on your keyboard, you can boost. It's like NOS and Need for Speed. On these mountain passes you need to be very careful on how you use your boost. You want to use your boost on long straights or to give you an extra speed when coming out of a corner. When starting a race, boosting is the norm. I have discovered that boosting in first gear is not so great. Your car just gets stuck in first gear and you're just losing a lot of speed you could get in second gear. I suggest you wait till you're in second gear before you start boosting.
Attention étroit. Frein borne pour gauche 2 et 3. Attention. Putain les freins. Non! Non!
In initial drift online, you have 2 ways of braking, handbrake and normal brake. Only your normal brake will actually reduce your speed enough to take a corner. The handbrake is a mere suggestion of deceleration, and it's only used to get your car sideways. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave any further questions in the comments and leave a like and a subscribe. Good night and have fun!